Meaning of flatline.
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 Flatline. Flatline is a medical term used to describe the absence of a heartbeat on an electrocardiogram (ECG) monitor. This can indicate that the heart has stopped beating, and if not treated immediately, can lead to irreversible brain damage or death. Flatlining can also refer to the cessation of other vital signs such as breathing or blood pressure. In popular culture, the term flatline is often used to describe a situation where there is no activity or progress, similar to a flat line on an ECG monitor indicating no heart activity.